Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Make statements, questions, or negatives about Sharon. Use have got. For example, a TV. She has got a TV. Next example, any boyfriends? Has she got any boyfriends? Next, a horse. She hasn't got a horse. Next, a brother. Has she got a brother? Next, a car. She hasn't got a car. Next, three dogs. She has three dogs. Next, a lot of money. She hasn't got a lot of money. Long hair. Has she got long hair? Any sisters? She hasn't got any sisters. A nice flat. Has she got a nice flat? Next, a good job. She has got a good job. Next, problems with her family. She has got problems with her family. Next, much free time. She hasn't got much free time. Contractions. I'm going to give you example, definition, and the use of contractions and what are contractions. A contraction is a word made by shortening and combining two words. Like, for example, it is cold, it's cold. Next, we are all here, we're all here. They're tired, they're tired. I'm ready, I'm ready. My name is Mike, my name's Mike. You're very kind, you're very kind. Nina has got a headache, Nina's got a headache. I do not have a car, I don't have a car. They are not ready, they aren't ready. You're not very polite, you aren't very polite. What is your name? What's your name? What has the dog got in its mouth? What's the dog got in its mouth? Where is the station? Where's the station? I did not have a good time at school. I didn't have good time at school. The house does not have central heating. The house doesn't have central heating. There is not much cheese in the fridge. There isn't much cheese in the fridge. So let's move the correct to the correct and or not. Are you ready? Correct. I got a headache. Incorrect. This coffee isn't hot. Correct. We don't got much time. Incorrect. The hotel does not have a bar. Correct. Steve doesn't got a girlfriend. Incorrect. Next, there has a man at the door. Incorrect. Next, who's that woman? Correct. Next, I amn't ready yet. Incorrect. Next, I gotten your address. Incorrect. Next, do you have got a car? Correct. Next, I won't be at home tonight. Correct. Be or have circle the correct form. Is/has your brother at home? Next, are/have you thirsty? Next, Elias is/has three brothers. Next, my sister is/has 25 today. Next, I am have cold. Put on a sweater. Next, I am have too much work. Emma is/has very happy today. Next, are/have you interested in history? 8. What size are/have your shoes? Next, it's 10. Your/have wrong. It's 9. Next, everybody is/has problems sometimes.